Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Grace Amondi and I'll be showing you how to create a map using arcmap. So I used the tool called Mapit. You can find it on Play Store, and it's a tool where you can collect GIS data using different projections. Okay, so the points that I collected were in latitude and longitude, and I think I was using WGS 84 on the Mapit application. So I created an Excel document, and as you can see, there are some 3 columns. There is the point, the longitude, and then the latitude. Yeah, so these ones I had handwritten them on my notebook because the Mapit application only allows you to create a layer if you have the Pro version, and since I did not have it, I just had to handwrite it on my notebook. Yeah, so this is the data for, I think there are 10 points around JQuat, actually in JQuat, that I had collected, and there are longitudes and latitudes. So the longitude will be X and our latitudes will be Y. Okay, so first of all, before I can load this data into ArcGIS, I decided to first convert it into a shapefile. So first, before I can convert it into a shapefile, I need to save this as CSV format, and hoping that you have created this as well, you can just save it as CSV, and I'll call it Mapit tutorial, then click save. Just say yes. Okay, so far so good. So on trying to load the data to arcmap, I think it was having some issues, and I didn't want to waste my time, so I just used QGIS to load the CSV file, convert it into a shape file, then now load it back to arcmap. Okay, so there are many ways to kill a rat. You will decide on which way works for you. This one worked for me. I think it was the fastest for me. Whichever works for you, it's fine. So I used this QGIS, and I think it's version 3.2. Yeah. So to import CSV layer, just go to layer, add layer, then we'll select delimited text layer, because it's a comma delimited text layer. So click on that. Now we'll select where the destination to our file is, and it was in my desktop. I named it Mapit tutorial. Click open. These other fields will be automatically filled. So what you're supposed to now select is just the X and Y field. So here our X is the longitude and our Y is the latitude. Then once you're done with that, just click on add, then you can close. Now we'll need something that can guide us to know that these points are falling exactly on JQuat. So since I don't want to load a base map, I'll just add a layer containing JQuat boundary. Yeah, so go to layer, add vector layer, and I'll add the boundary shapefile. So this one, SHP, click open, then just click add and close. Now as you can see, this JQuat boundary is covering all of the points, so you can move this layer beneath the Mapit layer tutorial like that, and there you have it. So the data is correct, and as you can see, it is in, let's just check, it is in WGS 84. So I can close that. Now what we are trying to save is this Mapit tutorial. We'll save it as a shape file. So go to export, then save feature as. They are going to save it as shape file. So click on SC shapefile. You can give it a name of map it. Let's just give it a destination. Click on those 3 dots, then let's save it in the desktop and create a new folder called map it shapefiles. Open that folder. So you can call it map it. Click save. Yeah, then you can set the projection system. We're just going to use WGS84. Then you can click OK, and that's that. So this shapefile, now you can open it in ArcGIS. So you'll go to in arcmap. So I'm using arcmap version, I think it's 10.3. So click on, I'll just drag and drop this, save on time. Remember, there are many ways to do this, whichever works for you. So I had saved it on my desktop, map it shapefiles. So I'll just carry the whole of this. Yeah, and that's it. Yeah, so here are the points. So you can go on and create your map. Maybe you can add more data that you need. We can add the boundary to JQuat, maybe the roads, etc. So I think they're in downloads, then JQuat. I'll just add maybe buildings. Sorry. I'll add buildings. Then I can also add, you don't have to carry all of these files, you just add the .shp. Let me add the boundary itself. Yeah. What else can I add? Let's just add the last thing, the roads. Like that. So you can go on and create your map. Yeah, and I think I'll create a series of tutorials on how to create a map, perhaps georeference and digitize in a later video. So thanks guys for clicking and for watching. If this was helpful to you, remember to like it and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thank you. Goodbye.